Uptown gang music from the burning sun of Bar to the rainy streets of Suva. Listen to the story. I headed down west looking for a way, in the town of Bar where the sun shines all day. Searching for work, life was getting real. Hoping for a break, just to get my next meal. Then I saw her face, a beautiful sight. Adi Alesi made everything wild. Oh. Captured my heart, oh, domoni, kemuni, right from the start. Ciqomi, oh, and loloma. Your parents were kind. A love like yours is so hard to find. She's a flower blooming sun, a rose from Nasukamai, the only one, the pride of rock with a beauty so rare, a gentle spirit beyond compare. Born blessing, she carries it all. From the hills of the north, her roots are deep. With promises of love, she swore to keep. Oh, Adi Alesi, you captured my heart. Kemuni, right from the start. Ciqomi, oh, and loloma. Your parents were kind. A love like yours is so hard to find. Oh, Musudobu is over. The season has passed. We moved to the city, the die has been cast. I told her go first, I'll meet you there. Trust in the love that we used to share. But the city lights tell a different tale. So Takina Wikaku, our plan started to fail. Finding my brother is now by her side. Now the Rose of Nasukamai has nowhere to hide. Oh, Adi Alesi, you captured my heart. Oh, domoni, kemuni, right from the start. Ciqomi, oh, and loloma. Your parents were kind. A love like yours is so hard to find. Mosemada, Adi Alesi, struggle continue. Uptown gang music.